These massive silos and water towers weren't supposed to fall that way, but gravity had other plans. When demolition meets miscalculation, the result isn't just shocking, it's downright dangerous. Oh my God! This harvestor silo collapse wasn't planned at all. No one expected or wanted it to come down like this. A routine repair went wrong. An old water tower failed unexpectedly. Russia, February 1921. Maybe it had simply reached the end of its lifespan. Oh no, the crane collapsed without warning. Thankfully, everyone had already made it out safely. Not every demolition follows the script. The Eaton Sugar Factory implosion in Colorado turned into an unexpected fail.
Fire in the hole! That's about time. Oh, really? Oh, God.
This demolition went wrong. The structure didn't fall as planned, tipping the wrong way and turning a controlled job into a clear failure.
It's going. There she goes.
Right on cue at 8 a.m., April 12, 2019, the reactors at the St. Johns River power plant folded inward. Planned precision, clean collapse.
That was louder than I thought.
On March 30, 2023, a wind turbine in Beckham was brought down in a carefully planned blast. One clean moment, years of power gone. An era ended as the inch green dock crane was demolished on July 16, 2017. Rowlett's water tower stood proud, until one perfect blast reminded everyone that even giants have an expiration date. key milestone came on December 15, 2024, when part of Una's Liedbach Valley Bridge was demolished, paving the way for a full replacement. Have you ever seen anything like this before? Finally, after decades of standing tall, this structure was brought down with flawless precision.
Here she comes. One down.
What kind of factory once powered an empire? Built mid-1900s, Kodak Building 53 fell in 2015, timed charges, flawless control, an era ending in seconds. Can't believe it collapsed that fast, over in the blink of an eye. On December 3, 2023, Vorta Power Station's cooling tower was blasted down, years of industrial dominance collapsing in seconds under precise, calculated engineering. Oh my, did the silo just defy the plan? It refused to stop, standing tall and stubborn when it was supposed to fall. Oh wow. Good thing this was handled by real professionals.
Get out of there.
In a split second, just one blast, and everything changes. No degrees, no tools, just nerve. Russian workers dismantle a KKS-10 crane the hard way.
Говоришь, плавненько, да? Ну а как ощущение, когда вышка на тебя летела?
Нормально, я сейчас это...
What kind of tower challenged gravity? Built in the 1960s, the 29-story ACS Xerox building met 500 time charges precisely planned. Oh wow, that definitely didn't go the way anyone expected. concrete icon bows out, Peter Dickinson's Regent Park Tower drops clean, planned, and impossibly satisfying to watch. The cooling tower and stack of Unit 5 at the Muskingum River Power Plant were taken down in a carefully coordinated demolition. One last chapter closed in seconds.
Damn!
Okay.
Silo goes down. Cameraman picks the worst possible spot.
What? That's it.
On September 23, 2023, the Hammond plant stacks in Rome. Georgia came down by design. Precise timing, clean fall, skyline changed. Two dorms, one countdown. Cather and Pound Halls checked out on December 22, 2017, proving finals week isn't the only thing that hits hard at UNL.
It sounds like TNT going off in the distance. Yeah, it doesn't take demolition's pretty quick. I was in Vegas when they destroyed one casino 3 times a day. It was
In a single, decisive moment on October 25, 2024, the Denox facility at Verdal-Elverlingsen was taken down. Precision timing, controlled force, and an industrial landmark gone. Warner Gear's water tower, quiet countdown, clean drop, and a splash of history gone in seconds. Tornado-damaged harvestor silo is carefully taken down. Controlled cuts, smart planning, clean collapse. Seconds before impact, Reykjavik Harbor went silent. On April 14, 2008, TSN triggered a precise blast that shattered the barrier wall, concrete erupting as the port broke free, opening space, access, and a new chapter for the harbor. AEP Unit 5 clocked out for good, 1 blast, 0 overtime, and gravity doing all the heavy lifting.
Yeah, but they're gonna fly back in. They're stupid. That's exactly what. Only a couple of them. That's just like.
Back in. All the parts just flew, they were way back in.
Side Hill's tower blocks vanished in seconds. One deep rumble, a rolling dust cloud, and an entire skyline erased like it never existed.
That was satisfying. This is great.
When you finally get the chance to bring down a broadcast tower, everything depends on how well you plan the moment. Hard to believe a massive structure could disappear that easily, like flipping a switch. Cedar Brook's water tower leaned, hesitated for one dramatic heartbeat, then crashed down, proving gravity never takes a day off.
We have ignition.
On December 21, demolition crews brought down the west side of Kyle Field.
The dust cloud is about to hit us. Yeah, this is dust storm. We got our sand. This is concrete dust right here. Wow. Hey, Chill, I'm going to make you my cleaning service. That's not a problem. I'm going dry cleaning. I'm not going to know what hit. Here comes a little bit. But in all seriousness, how awesome is that? Amazing. Yeah, absolutely amazing. It's worth the dry cleaning. That's really cool. And we're having to face forward because the back of our heads. My goodness. Hey, we're going to take a break here real quick. We're going to try to regroup. We hope to have a couple of minutes.
How strong was it, really? In Oshkosh, Wisconsin, on August 6, 2009, a water tower resists, forcing multiple excavators to pull together before it finally gives way.
Close up.
that's 900 pounds of explosion.
I felt that in my chest.
The implosion of the Palace of Auburn Hills, one blast, and an iconic arena disappears forever.
Palace of Auburn Hills is now this.
Dust cloud.
So they're going to take about 5 minutes before they can check it out just to make sure everything is secure.
A once state-of-the-art facility gone.
How hard was it? On a Saturday morning, Vanderbilt University cleanly imploded Carmichael Towers East. Difficult, but successful.
Six, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have ignition. Hey, Clip.
On December 21, demolition crews brought down the west side of Kyle Field. Take a look inside the collapse of Kyle Field, a structure that stood tall for decades, gone in a single moment. When the dust settles, one truth remains. Demolition demands precision. One wrong move turns massive structures into dangerous, unpredictable giants. Subscribe to the channel for more jaw-dropping demolition moments.